ever dropped your phone and felt your heart skip a beat? We've all been there, right? But when it's the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra packed with cutting-edge tech and a premium price tag, that panic hits differently. You can't afford to take chances with a device this valuable. That's exactly why I've rounded up the best drop protection cases that will keep your phone safe without turning it into a bulky brick. Whether you're a clumsy dropper or just super cautious, I've got something for you. Let's dive into the list and find out which case truly deserves the top spot. Links to all the cases are in the description. Make sure to check them out after the video. Number 16. TORRAS Magnetic Stand Case. Starting off the list is the TORRAS Magnetic Stand Case, a sleek yet tough option that strikes a great balance between protection and functionality. Offering military-grade drop protection, it ensures your S25 Ultra stays safe from everyday accidents while maintaining a modern, stylish look with its translucent black design. The real standout here is the 360 DG rotatable ring stand, which doubles as a kickstand for hands-free media viewing, perfect for binge watching on the go. Plus, it's MagSafe compatible, making it super convenient for anyone using magnetic accessories. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, the TORRAS case adds more versatility with its ring stand and MagSafe support, though it comes at a slightly higher price. If you need something that offers both durability and practicality, this one's definitely worth considering. Pros: military-grade protection, MagSafe compatibility, versatile kickstand. Cons: pricier than competitors, adds slight bulk. Number 15. Pitaka Ultra Slide Case. If you hate bulky cases and love the minimalist vibe, the Pitaka Ultra Slide Case is tailor-made for you. Crafted from 600D aramid fiber, it keeps your Galaxy S25 Ultra looking sleek while offering solid scratch and minor drop protection. This case is all about that premium feel, lightweight yet durable. And yes, it's MagSafe compatible for added convenience. But fair warning, this isn't designed to withstand major drops like some rugged cases on this list. Compared to the Spigen Thin Fit, the Pitaka feels more premium and refined, though it comes with a steeper price tag. If your priority is elegance over extreme protection, this is the case to beat. Pros: ultra slime, premium material, MagSafe compatible. Cons: limited drop protection, expensive. Number 14. CASEKOO Titanium Blue Magnetic Stand. Next up is the CASEKOO Titanium Blue Magnetic Stand, a case that combines style, rugged protection, and functionality. With military-grade drop resistance up to 16 feet, it's built to handle serious drops. The MagSafe support and 360 DG rotatable kickstand make it incredibly versatile, whether you're charging wirelessly or propping up your phone to watch videos. While the stand is great for media consumption, it can make the phone wobble slightly on flat surfaces. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, the CASEKOO offers better MagSafe functionality, but might feel a bit bulkier. If you need a case that's tough yet stylish, this one's a solid choice. Pros: 16-foot drop protection, MagSafe support, sturdy kickstand. Cons: slight wobble due to kickstand, somewhat bulky. Number 13. TORRAS Shockproof Diamond Clear Case. Flaunting the original beauty of your Galaxy S25 Ultra. The TORRAS Shockproof Diamond Clear Case lets you do just that while offering 12D foot drop protection. Unlike cheap clear cases, it's anti-cellaring, so it stays crystal clear over time. However, it lacks MagSafe compatibility and doesn't have extra features like a stand. Compared to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, which does support MagSafe, the TORRAS excels in clarity and simplicity. If you're after a case that's both protective and minimalistic, this one's for you. Pros: crystal clear, anti-cellaring, solid drop protection. Cons: no MagSafe, lacks extra features. Number 12. UAG Monarch Pro Case. For those who want maximum protection, the UAG Monarch Pro is an absolute beast. This case boasts 5 layers of defense, including Kevlar reinforcement, and can survive drops from a staggering 25 feet. Yes, you heard that right. The oversized buttons and rugged build make it perfect for outdoor adventures. The trade-off? It's bulkier than most cases. Compared to the Mus Limitless 5, the UAG Monarch Pro wins on durability, but lacks the same sleekness. If you're all about extreme ruggedness, this case is practically indestructible. Pros: unmatched durability, Kevlar layers, rugged design. Cons: very bulky, not the most stylish. Number 11. TONGATE Magnetic Stand Case. The TONGATE Magnetic Stand Case is the Swiss Army knife of phone cases. It's got military-grade drop protection, MagSafe support, a 360D rotating ring stand, and even a built-in camera cover for extra lens protection. There's also a handy belt clip for easy access on the go. The downside? it's a bit bulky and the kickstand can cause a slight wobble when the phone is laid flat. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, this case offers more features but sacrifices some of Spigen's sleekness. Pros: multifunctional, MagSafe, camera cover. Cons: bulky, slight wobble on flat surfaces. Number 10. Nillkin Sliding Camera Cover Case. Camera enthusiasts, meet your new best friend, the Nillkin Sliding Camera Cover Case. This case offers military-grade drop protection and features a sliding camera cover to keep your lenses scratch-free and dust-free. While it's not MagSafe compatible, it's a step up from the Spigen Tough Armor when it comes to camera protection. If safeguarding your camera is a priority, Nillkin is the way to go. Pros: excellent camera protection, durable, sleek design. Cons: no, MagSafe sliding cover may loosen over time. Number 9. CASEKOO Patented Magnetic Ring Stand Case. Similar to its titanium blue sibling, the CASEKOO Patented Magnetic Ring Stand Case offers 16-foot drop protection, MagSafe support, and a strong kickstand, all wrapped up in a sleek, minimalistic design. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, this case wins with MagSafe, but it's a tad thicker. If you want toughness with a clean look, this case delivers. Pros: strong drop protection, MagSafe, minimalist design. Cons: slightly thick, limited color options. Number 8. Spigen Tough Armor AI Fit. Spigen's best-selling case just got an upgrade. The Spigen Tough Armor MagFit now features MagSafe compatibility and AI-enhanced shock absorption. The built-in kickstand is sturdy and it's slimmer than most rugged cases, making it a versatile choice. Compared to the OtterBox Defender, this case is more compact and MagSafe friendly, making it a better option for everyday use. Pros: MagSafe, compact design, reliable protection. Cons: limited colors, basic design. Number 7. CASEKOO Genuine Official Transparent Case. If you love a clean look, the CASEKOO Genuine Official Transparent Case is for you. It offers military-grade drop protection while letting your S25 Ultra's design shine through. It's got great grip, minimal bulk, but no MagSafe support. Compared to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, it's simpler but equally effective. Pros: crystal clear, slim, durable. Cons: no MagSafe, shows fingerprints. Number 6. Scooch Wingmate Wallet Case. Looking to ditch your wallet? The Scooch Wingmate Wallet Case has you covered with RFID protection and space for up to 4 cards. Plus, it offers 10-foot drop protection. Compared to the Spigen Slim Armor CS, it holds more cards and feels more secure. Pros: wallet plus case combo, RFID protection, sturdy build. Cons: bulky with cards, limited color options. Number 5. OtterBox Defender Series. The legendary OtterBox Defender Series is the gold standard for extreme durability. With triple-layer protection that exceeds military standards, it's practically indestructible. The downside? It's bulky and lacks MagSafe support. If you want the toughest case out there, this is it. But for something slimmer, the Spigen Tough Armor MagFit is a great alternative. Pros: maximum durability, built-in screen protector. Cons: bulky, no MagSafe. Number 4. i-Blason Armorbox. The i-Blason Armorbox offers everything you need: 20i-foot drop protection, a built-in camera cover, a kickstand, and even MagSafe compatibility. It's just as protective as the OtterBox, but with more features packed in. Pros: full body protection, MagSafe, versatile features. Cons: bulky, complex design. Number 3. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Grip. The SUPC Unicorn Beetle Grip is perfect for those who want rugged protection without the bulk. It includes S Pen storage, MagSafe compatibility, and a built-in stand. Compared to OtterBox, it's more compact but just as tough. Pros: rugged yet slim, MagSafe, S Pen storage. Cons: limited style options, stiff buttons. Number 2. UAG Plasma XTE. The UAG Plasma XTE is a military-grade case with 20 MagFit drop protection, an integrated metal kickstand, and MagSafe support. It's rugged yet stylish, making it one of the best protective cases that doesn't look bulky. Pros: strong protection, MagSafe, sleek design. Cons: pricey, limited color options. Number 1. RAPTIC Shield Magnetic Case, the winner, and the crown goes to the RAPTIC Shield Magnetic Case. Why is this the best? It combines military-grade drop protection, a sleek aluminium frame, MagSafe compatibility, and a premium design, all without adding too much bulk. Compared to OtterBox and UAG, it's the perfect mix of protection, style, and functionality. Pros: superior protection, MagSafe, premium build. Cons: limited color options, slightly pricey. So, which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for all the cases we covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.